Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Digi Center. Today we're diving into the colorful world of fruits and how to introduce them to your little ones. If you're a parent or caregiver, stay tuned because we've got some tasty tips. First things first, let's talk about the basics. 1. Texture matters. Choose fruits that are easy to chew and swallow. Think soft and juicy. 2. Safety. First, always cut fruits into toddler-friendly pieces to prevent choking. 3. Variety. Offer a variety of fruits to expose your child to different flavors and nutrients. Now let's meet our fruity stars. Drum roll, please. Apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Slice it up or shred it for younger toddlers. Apricots. These little orange gems are packed with vitamins and fiber. Avocado. Creamy and nutritious, perfect for tiny taste buds. Banana. Soft, sweet, and loaded with potassium. Blueberries. Tiny powerhouses of antioxidants. Cantaloupe. Juicy melon chunks, a refreshing treat. Cherries. Sweet and colorful, just watch out for those pits. Citrus, oranges, tangerines. Tangy and full of vitamin C. Grapes. Seedless and easy to handle. Cut them into halves. Watermelon. Juicy slices for hot days. Yum! Now, let's see how our little taste testers react. As you can see, introducing fruits can be a fun adventure. Remember, parents, patience is key. Some toddlers might need multiple tries before they embrace a new fruit. Keep offering, keep smiling, and enjoy these precious moments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.